Cookbook for the Universe 10 Harmonic Mean of the Universe. A symphony of synchronicity. The harmonic mean serves as a universal principle, harmonizing the interplay of energy, forces, and dimensions across the cosmos. From the oscillations of subatomic particles to the grand networks of galaxies, it bridges microcosmic and macrocosmic phenomena, ensuring a coherent rhythm of creation. Imagine the sun and earth, not merely bound by gravitational forces, but resonating through a shared harmonic connection. The sun, acting as a radiant power source, transmits energy across the cosmic void, which Earth receives and transforms, much like an electrical coil within a grid. This dynamic exchange stabilizes their interaction, with the harmonic mean providing the balance that aligns forces, distances, and energies into a seamless system. Just as the harmonic mean unifies disparate elements of a power grid, synchronizing alternating currents across vast distances, it unifies the universe's fabric, weaving together the seemingly disjointed into a single, resonant whole. Now consider the intergalactic networks. Black holes across galaxies are not isolated phenomena, but nodes in a vast cosmic web. Through the harmonic mean, these black holes establish connections, their gravitational and energetic exchanges forming the power lines of the universe. These lines, much like the grids powering cities on Earth, create a self-regulating system of energy distribution, ensuring that no galaxy exists in isolation. Extending this analogy to the galactic scale, the galaxy's central black hole functions as a cosmic transformer, gathering and redistributing energy. Waves emitted by the black hole ripple across the galactic plane, linking its arms in a resonant dance governed by harmonic principles. These interconnected waves transcend mathematics, embodying Jung's concept of synchronicity, a universal connection that is constant through effect, even when seemingly inconstant in form. The harmonic mean, in this context, becomes more than a mathematical tool. It transforms into a philosophical and scientific bridge, connecting the evolution of the universe with our understanding of interconnectedness. It invites us to see the universe not as a collection of isolated entities but as a living, breathing system, where every action reverberates, every force synchronizes, and every moment contributes to the eternal symphony of creation. The harmonic mean and the dimension of time offer intriguing parallels when we consider their roles in understanding relationships, cycles, and balance in the universe. Below are thoughts on how these two concepts intersect and their implications, especially in the context of theories like relative gravity. By Orion Carl Daly 1. Aka, Essay on Relative Gravity. To describe the mechanics of the universe, the harmonic mean is not just a mathematical construct, but a profound representation of balance, resonance, and the interconnected rhythm of the universe. It serves as a bridge between seemingly disparate elements, harmonizing the microcosmic and macrocosmic realms. From the relationships between particles to the motion of celestial bodies, the harmonic mean offers a lens through which to understand equilibrium, symmetry, and the intrinsic order of the cosmos. In the context of relative gravity (RG), the harmonic mean encapsulates the dynamic interplay of forces, energies, and dimensions. It reflects the principle that the universe operates as an intricate symphony, where every entity, whether subatomic or galactic, plays a distinct role in maintaining coherence. 10.1 The harmonic mean and relative gravity. In RG, the harmonic mean emerges as a universal principle of equilibrium, ensuring stability across systems of all scales. Planets, for instance, act as resonant coils, radiating gravitational fields that interact harmonically with the sun's forces. The harmonic mean of their relative masses and distances fosters stable equilibrium in motion, unifying celestial mechanics through resonance that interact harmonically with the sun's forces. The harmonic mean of their relative. In RG, planets are conceptualized as resonant coils, radiating gravitational fields. Masses and distances ensure stable equilibrium in motion. By Orion Carl Daly 2. Cookbook for the Universe. Mathematical definition. In its purest form, the harmonic mean is defined as, unlike the arithmetic mean, which emphasizes simple averages, or the geometric mean, which highlights proportional relationships, the harmonic mean focuses on reciprocal interactions. It is particularly suited for dynamic systems involving rates, forces, or oscillations, where balance emerges from inverse relationships. 10.2 The harmonic mean in nature. The harmonic mean naturally arises in phenomena where forces balance through reciprocal relationships such as wave oscillations. In acoustics and optics, wave frequencies resonate harmonically to form standing waves and overtones. This relationship governs the stability of sounds and light, fluid flow, and energy distribution. Fluid dynamics rely on the harmonic mean to describe flow rates where time and distance balance efficiency. Planetary motion, orbital dynamics align with harmonic resonance. The harmonic mean balances gravitational forces, ensuring stable orbits between celestial bodies like the Earth and Sun. Its rhythm and patterns are echoed in the dance of planets, the oscillation of particles, and the ebb and flow of energy across the universe. By incorporating this principle, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the inherent order embedded in the universe's design. The universe, vast and enigmatic, operates as an intricate symphony where every cosmic entity, whether a star, planet, black hole, or galaxy, plays a distinct role in a harmonious composition. The harmonic mean serves as the conductor of this symphony, ensuring equilibrium in the dynamic interplay of energy, forces, and dimensions. It bridges the microcosmic realm of subatomic particles with the grandeur of galactic systems, creating a resonance that echoes across the cosmos. By Orion Carl Daly 3. Aka, Essay on Relative Gravity to Describe the Mechanics of the Universe. 10.3 The Sun and Earth. A Cosmic Power Grid. Imagine the Sun and Earth, not as mere isolated entities bound by gravitational pull, but as participants in a cosmic power grid. The Sun, much like a central power source, transmits energy across space, which Earth receives and transforms into life-sustaining processes. Here V fast and V slow are velocities within the solar wind, harmonized by the speed of light. C as a universal mediator. This exchange of energy resembles an electrical circuit, with the harmonic mean acting as the balancing mechanism. The formula for the harmonic mean stabilizes their interaction, maintaining the coherence of their dynamic relationship. This principle not only preserves equilibrium, but also fosters the conditions for life and evolution. By Orion Carl Daly 4. Cookbook for the Universe. 10.4 Solar Winds. Harmonic Energy Distribution. The solar wind, a stream of charged particles from the Sun, exemplifies harmonic energy distribution. Energy-time symmetry. The solar wind balances the Sun as thermal energy and spatial time, expressed as where Sn, energy driving the solar wind. T spatial equals dc, spatial time over distance d, scaled by the speed of light. Dynamic stability. The harmonic mean ensures that solar winds distribute energy symmetrically and efficiently, aligning with planetary and heliospheric structures. 10.5 Harmonic mean and the dimension of time. The dimension of time in relative gravity is not a static, linear parameter, but as a dynamic, relational construct. Time is not linear but dynamic, resonating across scales. Key aspects include time as a continuum. Time isn't just a forward-moving arrow but a shared continuum where past, present, and future interconnect, influenced by relative positions and forces. Spatial time. In relative gravity, spatial time is introduced as a shared frame between interacting bodies, much like a resonant frequency that governs their dynamic relationships. 10.5.1 Linking the harmonic mean and time. The harmonic mean resonates with the dimension of time through its representation of relationships, oscillations, and periodicity. Resonance and cycles. Time often manifests as cycles, for example planetary orbits, oscillating particles. The harmonic mean, which weights contributions inversely, can model these cycles when rates or frequencies are involved. Relative equilibrium. The harmonic mean can offer insights into the shared time dimensions of interacting bodies, particularly in systems governed by resonant frequencies as in relative gravity. For example, consider two celestial bodies with masses m1 and m2 separated by distances d1 and d2. By Orion Carl Daly 5. Aka, Essay on Relative Gravity to Describe the Mechanics of the Universe. Their relative equilibrium m1d2 equals m2d1 inherently contains a harmonic relationship, as it balances their contributions to shared gravitational forces. The dimension of time acts as the medium through which these forces communicate, reinforcing the harmonic balance between them. The harmonic meanest relationship with time is profound. In RG, time as a continuum. Time itself is a delta, the difference between moments. The harmonic mean captures the rhythmic flow of time, ensuring that interactions between entities remain stable and coherent. Synchronization across scales. From atomic vibrations to planetary orbits, the harmonic mean serves as a mathematical foundation for describing synchronization within shared time frames. Integration of scales. In theories like relative gravity, the harmonic mean could serve as a bridge between microatomic and macrocosmic phenomena by capturing the dynamic balance of forces over time. 10.5.2 The harmonic mean, the speed of light. In solar winds, the harmonic mean has profound implications when assumed to align with the speed of light. C in the context of solar winds and relative gravity RG. This perspective frames solar winds as a harmonic energy distribution system, where the speed of light acts as a universal mediator of energy, space, and time. 10.5.3 The speed of light as the harmonic mean. By assuming the speed of light as the harmonic mean, we uncover a profound connection between solar winds and cosmic resonance. Solar winds act as a harmonic energy distribution system, where the speed of light governs the balance of energy, time, and momentum. Resonance ensures dynamic stability and synchronization across the solar system. Energy transfer operates efficiently within the framework of relative gravity, reflecting universal principles of symmetry and interconnectedness. This perspective deepens our understanding of solar winds, linking their behavior to the foundational constants of the universe and the unifying principles of energy dynamics. By Orion Carl Daly 6. Cookbook for the Universe 10.6 Intergalactic Networks, the Symphony of Connectivity. The harmonic mean extends beyond local systems to intergalactic networks. Black holes and the cosmic web. Black holes act as nodes in a vast cosmic grid, their gravitational and energetic exchanges forming the power lines of the universe. Through the harmonic mean, these black holes establish resonant connections, ensuring a self-regulating flow of energy across galaxies. Synchronicity and resonance. These interconnected waves embody Jung's concept of synchronicity, a universal connection constant through effect, even when seemingly inconstant in form. The harmonic mean bridges these interactions, weaving together the disparate elements of the universe. 10.7 Philosophical Reflections. The harmonic mean challenges traditional absolutes, revealing a. Balance is dynamic. Equilibrium emerges from relational dynamics rather than fixed averages. b. Time is resonant. Time, like the harmonic mean, is cyclical and relational, shaping the universe as a cohesive whole. 10.8 Conclusion. The harmonic mean transcends mathematics, serving as a universal principle that by Orion Carl Daly 7. Aka, Essay on Relative Gravity to describe the mechanics of the universe harmonizes the interplay of energy, forces, and dimensions across the cosmos. By linking the behavior of solar winds, celestial mechanics, and intergalactic networks, it bridges microcosmic and macrocosmic phenomena, ensuring the coherence of the universe's intricate rhythm. As a tool of both scientific and philosophical inquiry, it invites us to view the universe as a living, interconnected system, a symphony where every note contributes to the eternal harmony of creation. The harmonic mean provides a compelling mathematical and conceptual framework to model interactions within the dimension of time. When paired with dynamic theories like relative gravity, these ideas offer a deeper understanding of how forces, cycles, and equilibrium emerge and persist across the scales of existence. This perspective invites further exploration of how time and harmonic relationships govern not only the mechanics of the universe, but also its inherent beauty and symmetry. By Orion Carl Daly